In this video, I'll explain how to create a new Azure portal account. Before start the new account, you make sure that you have the Gmail ID already created. If you don't have a Gmail ID or if you don't have any Outlook ID or any of the email ID, make sure that you create email ID first in the either in Gmail or the Outlook or any of the email domain before coming to creating the Azure portal account. So assuming that you already have the email ID, now there are two ways to get the free subscription in the Azure. Either you use the existing email ID and link to the Microsoft Live account. So that is the step number one. Step number two, you can link the new account, new email ID to the Microsoft Live account. So I'll show you both the options here. So this is the first screen. You need to select the azure.microsoft.com is the website. Let me select Azure Microsoft account. So you can click on create new account. Start here. So as I mentioned, there are two paths. You can use already linked Microsoft Live account to get the free Microsoft Azure portal account, or you can actually use your new email ID and then link to the Microsoft Live account first before you get the free subscribe for the free Azure portal account. So let me start with the second one. Now I already have the email ID. So I have to link with Microsoft Live account. So for that, I have to click on the create one. So what I'm doing is I'm creating the live account using existing Gmail ID. So I already have existing Gmail ID, Azure Kesari Azure at gmail.com. So I have to enter the password. I have to select the country. So I'll be getting the verification code. Let me get the verification code. So my verification code is 1728. I got that in my email address. And I'm actually creating the Microsoft Live account here using the existing Gmail address. Tap on the arrow rotation. Tap on the arrow rotation. So I think this image is in the right location. No. Interesting. So I have completed the verification, and then it is asking me to enter these details. Now I will select the country or the region, and then I can enter my details here. So these are the profile information. Then I can enter my phone number. So make sure that when we select the the country code, and you should be entering the same phone number, the United States. So it will be the United States phone number. This is a different phone number. So I can say text me, and I will be getting the verification code on my phone. So I'm just waiting for the verification code. And I got the verification code 5199293. So I can even agree on getting these. So verify the code. Now here I need to enter the credit card details or debit card details to link my current account, so that so there will not be any charge until you actually convert this into pay-as-you-go subscription. So when you enter all these details and sign up, you will be successfully signed in. So I'll not be doing this right now, but this is the process to activate your Gmail ID, link with the Microsoft Live account, and get the free Azure portal account. Now let me stop from here and then use the existing one, because I already have one more, so I can show you how to use the existing one and log into the portal. So let's say this is my Gmail ID. I already registered, linked with the Microsoft Live account, and also use the free subscription with that email ID. So since I have already used this email ID earlier for the free account, it will not allow me to do it again, because the free account is valid only for 30 days with the $200 credit. I've already used it. So that's why I'm getting this message saying that you already have the Azure account. So I can't use the free Azure account once again, since I've already used. But now I have the pay-as-you-go subscription, so I can go to the existing subscription and use the existing link. So these are my resources. This is my Azure portal. So this is how you should be creating the account for the first time. So as I mentioned, there are two ways to get this account. Step one, you need to have the Gmail ID. Once you get the Gmail ID, you have step two, you need to link that Gmail ID with the Microsoft Live account. So in order to link to the Microsoft Live account, I have explained how to link to the Microsoft Live account. And if you already have email ID linked to the Microsoft Live account, you can straight away enter email ID password, and it will allow you to select the free Azure portal subscription. Thank you.